Hi, so I'm been asked what type of cooking oils are good for heart. We use safflower oil, sunflower oil, rice bran oil in this part of the world, and these are the usually used cooking oils. They all have good amount of mono and polysaturated fatty acids called MUFA and PUFA, and they are good for heart. You should use these oils in a smaller quantity required to cook the food. Oils which have got high amount of saturated fats, that is palm oil or coconut oil, they are bad for heart. These oils rich in saturated fats are going to increase or worsen the progression of blockage formation in blood vessels. So use the oils which I mentioned, which are high in MUFA and PUFA. Try to rotate the oil. So for few months use sunflower oil, for few months use safflower oil, rice bran oil, and that will help you to keep your heart healthy. If you have any questions, do write us in comment section. Thank you.